One person killed during rounds of fire exchanged between police and thieves at Thekerajan on 12 January. Victims of fake job appointment under Forest Department submitted a memorandum to PCCF on Thursday. Anti-Corruption Youth Power of Assam, KAL English District Committee and Dipu Regional Committee exchanged war of words on Thursday. Hello viewers, good morning and welcome to KAL English English Prime Time. Now the news in details. On 12th of January, rounds of fire were exchanged between police department and thief at Thekerajan, falling under the jurisdiction of Bokalea police station. One person was killed during the course of action. With reference to this incident, a press conference was called on Thursday at the office premises of Superintendent of Police Dipu. During the press conference, Sanjeev Kumar Saikia, SP KAL informed that the incident took place on 12 January early morning when police department received a complaint of possible theft around the area. This had alerted the police to stay vigilant. Meanwhile, a group of 5 to 6 suspicious people were asked to stop. The group, rather than cooperating with the police, tried to threaten the police with arms. Leaving no way out, police had to use weapon as an act of self-defense, which consequently resulted in an exchange of fire. One member of the group was reportedly killed at the spot during the course of action.
Our episode জানিব পৰা গৈছে যে সেই ব্যক্তিজন শহীদুল ইছলাম তেখেত এজন কুখ্যাত ডকাইত আছিল আৰু তেখেতৰ বিৰুদ্ধে বিভিন্ন ধৰণৰ গোচৰ ইতিমধ্যে ৰুজু হৈ আছে আমাৰ কাৰ্বি আংলং জিলাতে দুটা কেছত তেখেতক প্ৰয়োজন হৈ আছিল ডকাইতি কেছত ঠিক তেনেদৰে হুজাই আৰু নগাঁৱতো তেখেত বেলেগ বেলেগ কেছত তেওঁ প্ৰয়োজন আছিল গতিকে যোৱাকালি এই অপাৰেচনটো
Taking the opportunity of the dawn, the remaining members of the group fled from the scene. .22 pistol along with one live bullet was recovered from the deceased individual. Several cases were registered against the deceased individual, informed SP during the press conference.
Your ঘৰ হুজাইৰ দেৱস্থান বুলি আমি জানিব পাৰিছো তেলকে এই সঠিক তথ্য এতিয়াও পোৱা নাই
Adding a note to that, it was also informed that the mortal remains of the deceased would be sent to Dipu Medical College and Hospital for post-mortem report. News Desk report for KAL Live. Recently, multiple incidents of distribution fake appointments under Forest Department came into the limelight. This had baffled the citizens across the district. In connection to this case, some brokers who claimed to be the official of the Forest Department extracted money in exchange of jobs. On 12th of January, victims of fake job appointments under Forest Department submitted a memorandum to Principal Chief Conservator of Forest Dipu, appealing for the consideration of their job appointment letters. Ever since the news of fake appointment letter distribution came into limelight, social organization KATSA had been actively working to help the victims in every way possible. Likewise, on Thursday, more than 163 victims of fake appointment marched to the office premises of Principal Chief Conservator of Forest Dipu, led by KATSA, and submitted a memorandum. Points include assignment of all the victims as regular employees as soon as possible under Forest Department, and to intervene and take stern action against the person behind this scam. Victims of this scam informed that the main accused behind this scam is Eldrin Pator and Sadhana Timongpi. They took money amounting from 5 to 6 lakhs per head by promising them jobs under Forest Department. But rather than providing them a genuine appointment letter, fake job appointment letter was distributed among them. Therefore, they remain unemployed although they had an appointment letter in their hand. Some had to take loan, while some had to sell their land to meet the required amount for the specific post.
Itu kare amar tu dukhiya manu 1,25,000 toka dia tu moi hajira kori pelai aru amar mati olop solop ase hetu olop bondok di kini etu 1,25,000 moi tar hatot di dile.
Request Dr. Tuliram Ronghang, CEM KAEC, to kindly consider the victims and compassionately grant permit to join the job.
Forest Guardor kiba sakudi bo koisile rumuke aru moitu paisa disilo 5 lakh
কাক পয়সা দিছিলে
এটো এলট্রিন পাতৰ কাৰণে দিছিল
পাতৰ কোন হয়
এটো ইয়াতো ফৰেষ্টে কৰে বলে হে
ফৰেষ্টত
এনেকা কৈছে তো মুকে
The appointment letters, which were distributed in the year 2021 by Aldrin Potter, was fake, and hence they had to assemble at the office premises of Chief Conservator of Forests.
আমি তো বৰ্তমান যোৱা নাই কিন্তু এই কাটছা নামৰ এটা এছ'চিয়েশ্যন আছে ইহঁতে মানে কাউন্সিলক কথা পাতিছে CM ডাঙৰীয়া তুলিৰাম ছাৰক
Srinivasana Rao, IFS, Principal Chief Conservator of Forests, while talking with the victims, said the authority had intervened into the matter and an investigation is going on. The competent authority would certainly take favorable decision which would help everyone. The authority engaged in the creation of vacancies within the department with reference to the victims of fake appointment.
More follow प्रारंभ करी council authority honorable CM साहब प्रारंभ करी আমি সবে দুখীয়া মানুহ হেল্প কৰিবলৈহে আমি ব্যৱস্থা লৈ আছো আমি দুখীয়া মানুহৰ কাৰণে আছো
Samson Ingti, president of KATSA, while speaking with us informed that all the appointment letter must be considered genuine and all the person involved in this scam must be punished as per the law.
Appointment ke long tang jitu aron repen appointment ke long tang arideng ke chot kray alu ke joy chot kray tumphan an abang ke la tuma phan pachiklem long wek nang ji athe la tuma phan abang so illegal appointment arideng chot kray bang ke tangkat alang tum en igdet.
News Desk report for KAL English Live. On 12th of January, war of words exchanged from the Anti-Corruption Youth Power of Assam, KAL English District Committee and Dipu Regional Committee during a press conference called at Dipu. Chitra Bora, General Secretary of ACYPA KAL English District Committee, while addressing the media, informed that Arun Terang was dismissed from the post of President Dipu Regional Committee after he was found practicing extortion.
কিন্তু আমি যেতিয়া কথা আপোনাৰ সদস্যসকলৰ লগত আলোচনা কৰিলো এই আলোচনাৰ বিবেচনাত আমি দেখা পালো যে হসাকে হয় কিছু পক্ষ হসা পাইছো আমি এই পক্ষত আজি আমি দুৰ্নীতি বিৰোধী যুৱশক্তি অসম কাৰ্বি আংলং জিলা সমিতিৰ উদ্যোগত যি ডিফু আঞ্চলিক সমিতি আপোনাৰ গঠন হৈছিল সেই গঠনত আমি সভাপতি ডাঙৰীয়া আজি আমি এই ডিফু আঞ্চলিক সমিতিৰ পৰা সভাপতি ডাঙৰীয়া পদত্যাগ আমি ঘোষণা কৰিছো
Arun Terang, on hearing the news of his dismissal from the post of president, instantly called for a press conference to clarify the allegations made over him. During his press conference, he denied all the allegations made by Chitra Bora, also informed that no any notice or concerns had been taken upon his dismissal from the post of president.
Cuman dalam sistem ya si alang tentang karbok. Berke alang tu pulo je Nepal presiden aku pini penang pas sunlo tu alang tu ninja tiga alang tu mungkin lagi right away. Tema alang tu mungkin halat tu boka jantung. Alang tu mungkin boka jantung komiti tu bang sidakar difu komiti tu han nang pini pen presiden aku dolong lelo difu ke lagi alang tu right away.
Serious allegations were made against Chitra Bora during the press conference, alleged that Chitra Bora had demanded a sum of rupees 50,000 prior to the award-giving ceremony of International Anti-Corruption Award held at Guwahati on 8 December 2022. Threatens to isolate the selected nominees from KAL English District if failed to produce the amount pre-ceremony.
Borsing Rong Park, la press club long presiden award ta lang dum patu pijoy ni si kiri pidam adun dam chok kiri pidam non puanta press club presiden borsing rong phar long ekta award bang ya bide la ke la tum si ke patu pi binong athema ni poisa pa clear pi uni depot ni alang tum 30,000 poisa kipi 30,000 plus.
News Desk report for KAL English Live. Thank you for watching KAL English Live. Have a great day.